Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and assembly of the Sogeshome two-person computer desk. So this is a two-person desk, as you can see in this picture. It has a storage shelf in between. It's about 78 inches, made with particle wood, scratch and friction resistant. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. We'll see how the assembly process goes, and then we'll take a look at the desk itself. Okay, so I just unpacked the parts of the desk, and here's the instruction manual as well. Everything was really well wrapped. It seems to be in great condition. The wood looks really pretty, so I'm excited to put it together. So I got my instructions right here, and we're gonna start on step one. I did get the hardware bag. Everything was right inside this nice convenient bag. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on step one. Here we go. Okay, so I just finished assembling the Sogeshome desk, and it took me about maybe 45 minutes to put it together. That was with just one person working. I used just the tools that were inside of the box, and it came together really nicely. So as you can see, it's really big. It's 78 inches, super sturdy. It doesn't feel, I'm shaking it right now, it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Perfect for two different people, so one of you can sit on both sides. Plenty of space for a computer. The computer can go right in the bottom as well. If you have a tower for your computer, there is a hole in the back of the desk so the cords can go outside the back. The assembly, again, was really simple. A super affordable desk, great quality for the price. Easy to put together, looks really nice, kind of modern and sleek. It looks the exact same colors as my floor, so I'm really happy with it. So I hope you give the Sogeshome desk a try and let us know what you think.